Hey everyone! Welcome to the coolest place in town, a car factory. Today we're going to take you on an incredible journey through the heart of car manufacturing. From the moment raw materials arrive to the final assembly of a brand new car, you'll get to see it all. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting adventure. As we step inside, you'll notice the sheer size of this place. It's like stepping into a different world. A world where innovation and precision come together to create something truly remarkable. This factory is where dreams take shape, where the magic of engineering and craftsmanship happens every single day. Our journey begins with these massive rolls of sheet metal. Imagine these as the blank canvas for our masterpiece. These sheets will be cut, shaped, and transformed into the various parts that make up a car. It's a fascinating process that requires both skill and precision. Today, we're going on a tour to see how it all happens. Our guide will take us through each step of the process, explaining the intricate details and the technology that makes it all possible. You'll get to see the machines in action, the workers at their stations, and the incredible teamwork that goes into building a car. Get ready, it's going to be awesome. Our first stop is the stamping area, where those giant rolls of metal are cut into the shapes needed for different parts of the car. The sound of the machines is like music to the ears of any car enthusiast. We start with a giant roll of metal, like a huge roll of tinfoil. These rolls are fed into massive stamping machines that cut and shape the metal into various parts. It's incredible to see how these flat sheets are transformed into complex shapes with such precision. Can you believe this turns into a car? It's amazing! The next step is the welding area, where these parts are joined together to form the car's body. Sparks fly as robots and skilled workers weld the pieces together, creating a strong and durable structure. This factory is massive, like a whole city. As we walk through the expansive spaces, you'll see different sections dedicated to various stages of the car building process. Each area is a hive of activity, with workers and machines working in perfect harmony. Lots of different parts work together to build a car. From the engine to the interior, every component is carefully assembled and tested to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and safety. It's a complex dance of parts and processes, all coming together to create a finished product. It's pretty cool how everyone works as a team. The level of coordination and collaboration here is truly impressive. Each worker plays a crucial role in the production process, and their dedication and expertise are what make it all possible. So let's dive deeper into this amazing world of car manufacturing and see how these incredible machines come to life. First stop, the stamping area. This is where the journey of a car body begins. Imagine walking into a massive hall filled with the hum of machinery and the clanking of metal. It's an orchestra of industrial sounds. Here, giant machines press the metal into car parts like the hood and doors. These machines are incredibly precise, ensuring each piece is shaped perfectly. The metal sheets are fed into the machines, and with a thunderous noise, they are transformed into essential car components. These machines are super strong. They exert thousands of tons of pressure to mold the metal. It's a fascinating process to watch, as raw material is turned into something recognizable. They press the metal with tons of pressure. Sparks fly everywhere. The sight of sparks flying is both mesmerizing and a testament to the sheer power of these machines. It's like watching a fireworks display up close. It smells like hot metal, kinda cool. The heat and the smell of freshly pressed metal fill the air, giving you a sense of the raw energy involved in this process. After the parts are made, they go to the body shop. Here, the journey continues as these freshly stamped parts are transported via conveyor belts, ready to be assembled into the car's body. People and robots work together to weld the parts into the car's body. It's a seamless collaboration between human skill and robotic precision. Each weld is crucial, ensuring the car's structure is both strong and safe. It's like a giant puzzle. Piece by piece, the car body comes together, each part fitting perfectly into place. Watching this process is like seeing a complex puzzle being solved, with each piece finding its rightful spot. Now let's look at the chassis of the car's skeleton. It holds everything together, like the engine and wheels. Lots of people work here, using tools to put the chassis together. It's like building with giant Legos. They put on the axles, brakes, and everything else. It's noisy here, with lots of clanging and banging. Teamwork makes the dream work. Next, we go to the paint shop. This is one of the most fascinating parts of the car manufacturing process. Here, the car gets its personality and character through color. This is where the car gets its color. The paint shop is a high-tech environment where precision is key. Each car is carefully coated with multiple layers of paint to ensure a flawless finish. It's like a giant car wash but with paint. The car moves through a series of automated booths where it gets sprayed with primer, base coat, and clear coat. Each layer is meticulously applied to achieve a perfect look. The car goes through different stations. First, it gets cleaned. This step is crucial to remove any dust or debris that could affect the paint job. The car is thoroughly washed and dried before moving on to the next stage. Then, robots spray on the paint, nice and even. These robots are programmed to apply the paint with incredible precision, ensuring an even coat across the entire surface of the car. The use of robots also helps to maintain a consistent quality. It smells like fresh paint here. The air is filled with the scent of new paint, a sign that the process is in full swing. Workers in the paint shop wear protective gear to ensure their safety while working in this environment. The car comes out shiny and new, ready for the next step. After the paint has been applied and cured, the car is inspected to ensure it meets quality standards. It's now ready to move on to the final stages of assembly. Now for the most important part, the engine. This is what makes the car go. A big engine is lowered into the car. Lots of people work together to connect everything, like the wires and hoses. It's like a giant operation. It's amazing to see how everything fits together. Next, we make the inside of the car comfy. This is where the seats, carpets, and dashboard go. It smells like a brand new car in here. Workers put everything in place, making it look nice. Then, they put in the dashboard and steering wheel. Now it really looks like a car. Last stop. Here, they check everything to make sure the car is perfect. They check the lights, brakes, and everything else. It's like a final exam for the car. When it passes, the car is ready to go. It's driven off the line, ready for someone to drive it home. Pretty cool, eh?